Google has told its users today that a new version of Gmail is on the way. Although this report was provided by email only for consumers, the news has come out very quickly, even though Google has also confirmed that it is redefining Gmail. A few features of the new design will be featured, such as a fresh and transparent way of Gmail on the web, easy access to GAT apps such as Google Calendar within Gmail. Then mobile-like smartphone is also available on the web. Additionally, the ability to snooze emails will allow the user to showcase these emails later in the inbox. Finally, support offline is also reported. Google says that these features will be presented to first-user users as part of the Early Adapter Program, EAP, but will later be available on personal Gmail accounts. Support offline in Gmail is being said that this facility will be available by June 2018. The news of Gmail's design has not been new, but it has been such a thing for a year. So far it is unclear how long the new design of this Gmail will be available, but it may be before the Google I/O next month.